Are you excited to explore the wonderful world of music? If you love creating melodies that make people feel happy and emotional, get ready for a fun adventure. Welcome to a guide to becoming a mixing and mastering engineer. We'll discover how to make music sound fantastic together. Today, we open the door to the magical realm of music production, where dreams come true and melodies shine like stars. So, let your love for music be your guide as we learn all about mixing and mastering. Are you ready for a fantastic journey? Let's get started and be amazed. All right, let's break it down. Mixing and mastering, two essential processes in music production, work hand in hand to give us that polished final product. Mixing takes individual tracks and blends them together, tweaking levels, panning, and applying effects to craft that immersive sound. Mastering, on the other hand, focuses on enhancing clarity, tonal balance, and dynamic range before the big distribution day. So, are you wanna be an audio wizard? Well, first things first, you'll need a solid foundation in audio engineering principles and techniques. Familiarize yourself with digital audio workstations like Pro Tools, Logic Pro, and Ableton Live, the industry's go-to tools. Learn how to play with sound creatively by grasping signal flow, audio processing, equalization, compression, reverb, and all those nifty effects. All right, listen up. This step is crucial. Sharpening your listening skills is what separates the pros from the amateurs. Train your ears to pick up on those subtle nuances, frequencies, and spatial elements in a mix. Explore different musical genres to understand their unique vibes and production techniques. Time for some A/B comparisons to spot the difference between a masterful mix and a not-so-great one. Pay attention to the balance, clarity, and stereo imaging. It's all in the details. Now, let's talk about getting your groove on. Expand your musical horizons by exploring various genres and artists. This will help you understand different production styles and artistic preferences. Dive into popular songs from diverse genres and analyze their sonic qualities. Embrace the beauty of music in all its forms and learn how each element contributes to a stunning mix. Time to learn from the pros, my friends. Don't miss out on the chance to attend workshops, seminars, and conferences where top-notch mixing and mastering engineers spill their secrets. Oh, and don't forget about those awesome online tutorials and courses. But hey, if you want hands-on experience, seek out a mentor or intern at a reputable studio. That's where the real magic happens. Show off your skills. It's all about that portfolio. Start by offering your help to friends, local artists, or aspiring musicians. Collaborate on projects, get your hands dirty, and create a diverse body of work. As you progress, update that portfolio with your proudest mixes and masters. Remember to showcase your versatility across different genres and styles. It's your time to shine. Let's talk connections. In this industry, collaboration and networking are everything. Get social, use social media, attend events, and join online platforms to connect with artists, producers, and other pros. And here's a pro tip. Join audio engineering institutes or forums to meet like-minded folks and stay in the loop with the latest trends. Oh, and don't forget about those music festivals and light shows, prime opportunities to expand your network. Time to level up, my fellow engineers. The world of music production keeps evolving, so you need to stay on top of your game. Embrace continuous learning. Keep up with the latest in audio engineering, plugins, and gear. Experiment with new tools and workflows to push your boundaries. And never shy away from feedback. Your peers and professionals can help you grow and improve. And there you have it. Becoming a mixing and mastering engineer is no easy feat, but with passion, dedication, and a lot of ear training, you can conquer this world. Remember, your love for music is what will drive you forward. So go out there, hone your craft, build that killer portfolio, and connect with fellow music enthusiasts. Together, we'll shape the sound of the industry for years to come. Keep those creative juices flowing and make some awesome music. Thank you all for tuning into this guide on becoming a mixing and mastering engineer. If you're looking for top-notch music production and fantastic collaboration opportunities, don't forget to check out Mix Recording Studio, the place where artists and sound engineers come together to create pure magic. Until next time, keep rocking and mixing on.